Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ty Johnny back with another live video reaction, whatever you want to call it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell to see more of me. And we all gonna eat as a family, as the great words of Ace Boogie goes. Everybody eats B. If you're new to the channel, I react to sports and music mainly, but if you got anything you want me to react to, I'll definitely do it. I know haven't been doing that much music yet because I've been so focused on these basketball ones. Like, there's so many videos, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie to you. Also, if you've been to the channel or already subscribed to the channel, I already love you. I've been loved you, man. Even when you just watch it and you weren't subscribed, I did. But as you can see today, you got Bird is the word. 15 minutes of legendary Larry Bird highlights. Do we even need to waste time and talk about what's about to happen?
Everybody said about the bird.
Bird is the word. Just to confirm you guys can see, you know what I'm saying? I don't got two screens yet. I'm gonna get there one day though. That's a bucket. Oh my goodness. Do that down. You said it. Give me that. Oh yeah, you know what that is. He said he wanted to hesitate to show you he could still make it. One more time. I ain't really pay attention. That was easy money. Behind the back. Get up. Give me that board. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, his ankle is not even on his... He's going crazy. He's like, ba, 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 ba. Give me that. Hey, dang. Kind of foul. I'm trying to get rid of him. He like, bro, what's wrong with that guy? Hey. Are you serious? First, I want to say this, the game was way more physical, obviously, as you can see. I feel like I've been watching this for like 10 minutes already. It's only been a minute 30 seconds. Like, look at this move, though. Look at this move. Pull up. Bucket. And one. Good late. They tackling people? Ugh. Board, fade away. Whoa. Give me that steal. Ain't no way you just messed up that dime like this bad. Wide open? Air ball? I know that ain't Larry down there about to rebound the ball. Oh, nah. Look at his hustle. He just ran from the other side of the court and almost grabbed his own assist. Supposed to be assist. Rebound. Lay me. Come on, they too focused on him. Give me that. This. Okay, his hustle was always crazy. I thought he was gonna pass it. That's a one leg. One more time, because that's a game winner, by the way. Bro, he's at the top of the three-point line. He threw it behind his head. One more time. Come on. Behind the head, two-hander. Oh my goodness. He out there hooking it like Kareem. Kareem. Oh my goodness. Fake. He out there moving like MJ. Fake. MJ. I mean, he not moving like MJ. He moving like Bird. Y'all know, I know how y'all be getting. This man scoring every single way possible. And I didn't mean to say he's balling like MJ because I already know how y'all be getting in the comments, man. I didn't mean it like that, but y'all know what I mean. But look at this left-hand floater. Every which way you need him to score the ball, he can do it. Look. Pump fake, one dribble, left floater. You need a dime with left-hand pass. What you need? Pump fake. It's too easy. Float him. Fader. He doing turn to the right. Steal. Don't get dunked on. And one. That's crazy. Sorry, I didn't even see that assist. Nah. Look how he threw it around him though. Around. Behind his head. He thought he shot it. Julius, give me that. Yo, he low-key moving, ain't it? He was low-key getting up out of there on that one, on that fast break. Left hand. Oh my goodness. Dime. Danny Ainge was booming it. That's that shooter's touch. Give me that. Come over here trying to dribble in front of me like that. Behind the back. Oh my, he almost fell. Oh my goodness. Nope. I was about to say, I was going to turn this video off. He made that layup like that. He still got his own rebound though. Look, box out. Give me that board over Kevin McHale. And one layup. Give me this. Oh my gosh, that was so clean though. It was so simple, but look. Right foot, right arm. Come on. That's easy money. Behind the back. Double pump. Come on. Uh-oh. Dr. J. Come on. Dr. J's not guarding Larry. Come on. Put a hand up. You know who that is, right? Hey, the toilet bowl. That's a good. Come on, that's IQ. Ugh. I gotta watch that one more time. Like he shot it so perfect. And one. Parrish. Give me that. What's wrong with y'all boys? I knew he was going. Yo, his steal package low key crazy. Good pass. Like he be far away from the ball, but he got a crazy wingspan. He's stealing it from far away. In your face. And one. He know that backboard. Give me that. Uh-oh. I was about to say, you gotta boom it. Easy. But he went up as soon as he caught it. He like, I'm too. Oh my gosh. He just laid you. I know that ain't Clyde the Glide. He's getting double teamed. Dribble, bounce off me, get off me. Come on. How do you even stop something like that? You don't. You just gotta let it happen. That's crazy. He said, Fader. Yeah, he knew he was gonna make it. He's not even happy. Yeah, I do this every day. He said, "You gonna get the board?" But guess what? Give me that. Dime me. Dunk on him, Kevin. Game winner again. Flow me. He not. This is a away game. Yeah. That's young Larry. He got too much energy. I could tell. That boy Larry. Shout out Larry, man. Isaiah Thomas like, yo, boy, don't be doing that, boy. Even Isaiah Thomas hyping, he lost. I know somebody knows, but how did the Celtics versus Pistons used to go? And what year did Isaiah Thomas come in the NBA? I know somebody in the comment section, you gotta let me know. When did Isaiah Thomas get drafted, and how was the matchup between Boston and the Pistons? Let me know how those matchups were, because I'll go back and watch them games. I've been watching like games. Like one of the videos I just reacted to was Kobe versus Michael Jordan, but it was obviously 2003 Michael Jordan. He was older, so it don't count, but you know what I'm saying? Y'all go watch that for me too, because it was a good game. Kobe had 53. But let's get it right back into this action. Y'all let me know. Kevin McHale talking about something. Oh, you notice some 1980 ball. He jumped on his back. First of all, why would he run in front of him so he can't save it? Well, he thought he wasn't going to grab it? It's Larry breaking stuff. Gets right back up like, yeah, I'm good. Good pass. Oh, is that against Jordan? I think I just seen him. Yeah, that's him. That's young Jordan. Charles. Oh, nah. That shot was crazy. Look, he put it all the way over here. One hand shot. Come on. One more time now. I'm sorry. One more time. Like, look at the difficulty. I think y'all need to see this in slow motion. Come on. Let's watch it in slow motion real quick. Look. Come on. He faded. Put it. That's Charles Barkley, by the way, too. It's not no trash defender. It's going straight through every single time. Like, stop playing with that man. Hey man, that man funny. Said miss. I get my own board. Don't worry. I want the and one instead. Boom time. Look at that. He's cooking them. They thinking he gonna pass. Look, fake pass. Got him. Look, they ain't even know what to do. Come on. Ain't no travel magic. Look at that. Lefty. Steal? I know this is steal. Good pass right back to Kevin. Good pass, man. He got the whole team down there and he's still aiming. Oh, nah. You gotta stop doing that. He's killing them with that. He gonna do it again right here? Left hand. Give me that. You gotta think of how high, quick you gotta move. He was turned around, looked at the ball and stole it. Look. No. Well, I need that. He killing them with the fake pass. I gotta stop letting him get these assists like this. Yo, he used to be going crazy. Oh boy, Larry. And one. Boy, his post game was A+. Give me defense A+. Rebounding A+. Passing A+. Come on, man. He's killing them. I think that was Dominique Wilkins. It is. Layton. He always knows where everybody's going to be. Like, when it comes to passing, scoring, defense. You did not just let that man lay you with the right hand on the left side. This man just threw a full court pass laying down on his side. Look. He said, I'm going to sleep, but you take this with you. He said, good night. You know what time it is. Hey. Robert Parrish. Are you serious? Give me that. Get off my court. This man just tried to grab his feet. Man tried to take off his shoes. He said, nah, I'm tired of this. I ain't letting this. I'm taking off his kicks. Okay. Full court pass. Full court pass. Touchdown. He caught, bro. He scores so quick. As soon as he touched the ball, it's like, you know what I'm saying? Come on, Coop. Oh, y'all doubling? I don't care. Post fade on both of y'all. Magic and Cooper. Filet, left hand. Cool. No, give me that. Are you crazy? Float him. Worthy. Touchdown, Celtics. Kevin McHale. Oh yeah, it's Tom. Oh my God, get off me. Come on. Get off me. Put him on the poster. Lefty. Oh, he's about to grab his own board. To watch full games, LarryLegend.club. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to watch some full Larry Bird games, man. Y'all let me know for sure. But yeah, Larry, I'm not gonna say I'm used to it, but like Larry's like definitely in my top favorite players all time now. I didn't even know he was this good. I was just arguing with my friends about this. You know, my friends are younger though, obviously, because I'm young. They talking about they taking Luka Doncic over Larry Bird. Said Luka don't even average 10 boards. But anyway, they just disrespecting history and stuff like that. Talking about some Luka Doncic. He ain't won nothing. I ain't saying Luka not good. I mess with Luka heavy. I always said Luka he's gonna be great. But Larry, he's not messing with Larry. Like, come on, man. But y'all let me know if y'all want any other reactions of Larry Bird specifically. I think I've almost done majority of Larry Bird reactions now. So it's almost time to move on to a new player. We're coming to a close of the chapter of Larry Bird soon, man. I'm gonna miss reacting to Larry. I'm not gonna lie. He's the reason my channel even started popping in the first place. So I'll shout out to Larry Legend, man. Larry Legend. He the greatest. Is there also another player y'all want me to specifically start? Because I've been also moving into Michael Jordan. But I could move into somebody else, you know what I'm saying? I could go towards Magic again, because I did Magic. Really, Magic is what set it off a little bit, and then it was AI. But we could go Larry to anybody else. Like, I'm going to just go through the whole NBA history, and then we're going to go to today's players. And I'm going to start getting to you guys music video reactions also, so I'll definitely get to it. Y'all let me know what y'all need me to do, and I'm going to do it. Also want to say I love y'all, and I appreciate y'all for watching all these videos, making it to the end of all these videos. You guys make this a lot easier and motivate me to do more videos every day. Because it's definitely days where I wake up, I'm like, I'm a little tired today, you know? But yeah, what I will say is, this is the end of the video. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell to see more of me. So we all gonna eat. Drop a comment down in the section if you made it to the end of this video. I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. I love y'all. Peace.